the muffler run or so. Oh, a soup pot. John, what kind of soup you have in there? Beef, I can see it. Are you my chef?
Yes, man, a big time chef, man.
He's
an all-arounder too. This man do him sales, him do him soup, him... He's
no, we just want to see it, man. You can just bust it pot. Let me see what go on.
This man is a hustler. So he want to show the people your soup that when they come back again.
Look on the type of soup, man. Look on the pepper in there.
Yeah.
See, God, I don't ever eat Mr. Lexi a drink, not Joe?
Right.
She has said shot, you know? Grandfather, Mr. McNally. This is Lexi grandfather now. Touch it. Pastor. Big man and thing, you know what I mean? Everything good. So this is the husband now of Miss Cora. You understand? Yes, you see him look fresh and nice. Take off your hat, then see you, man. The whole world want to see one clean, man. Yes, man. See you get the... Yeah, a video, we have video. You see a rubber for all I hear them have fired and one. Then they funny, you know. I tell me last night, boy, you want trim. I mean, I said, trim what? Yeah.
I will tell you that.
I said last night you want trim. Remember when I did it last night?
It go this morning, go scrape.
Go scrape, yeah. Me not tell her, man. And this now a mummy Marcy, yeah. You understand? This is Mr. McNally. Daughter. You understand? This is Lexi auntie. You understand? She know, we don't know who she be. She just there. You understand? You know what I mean? The fireside set up beautiful. You understand? Tree block, some wood and thing, right there so go and bubble. Make a peas boil first, cause you know a peas kinda little longer. Soup, the managed water in this already. You can't miss this. If you don't know if you did it right, you know, you forward right, so now you can't see nothing, you know. Cause smoke burn out the whole of your eye like. Blessed respect massive. Oh my word, look at beauty. Look on God creation, man. Look there, man. Oh gosh. Blessings and respect if you're just joining this video massive. We are currently in the beautiful parish of Manchester. This is a different kind of beauty. And I'm telling you this, I'm going to be silent just for a second for you listen how quiet the place be. This is how quiet the place be. Oh my word. You absolutely don't hear anything at all except the birds chirping and a bunch of things like this. So we're in a community called Maidstone. You understand, located in the parish of Manchester. We're just going to do a little walkthrough, show you a different section of Jamaica. You know what I mean? We're in a different part. And center camera here is the Maidstone Center, the Maidstone Community Square, where you will have the let me tell you the name of this school. Oh my, we're going up there, so I'm going to show you the name of this school. You understand? This is a well-known community and it's the second free village in Jamaica. You understand? No joke. We can actually talk to somebody who know it better, so we can best explain a little bit about this community. But it's just a walkthrough. We're just going to walk through, see what's going on for 2025 in this community. Beautiful. Definitely some place I would live. But I'm telling you, look at that view. We're up on some hillside massive, I'm telling you. Quiet, quiet, quiet place. Wow, it is now a little after 12 in the day and the place cool. Even though you see the sun shining, you can see the place is super cool. Love it up here, so see? So the reason for this trip is that, Lexi grandmother actually doing some tombing today. And I decided, say, no, say, I'm going to walk from the square and go towards the community. It is super beautiful and I'm going to bring it to you as well. See? So if you just join in the video, please may I ask if you like the video right now. May I wait? So the other day, they had the Nazareth. Yeah, so let me tell you, it is the Nazareth Primary and Infant School, right? See it here? This is the sign right here. Nazareth Primary and Infant School. And also you have a museum over here as well. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. So this is where the event called 1st August keep. You understand? The event was yesterday. I didn't make it for the event, but the event was yesterday. And see we're there in the square. The Nazareth Primary and Infant School. You see me I say, see Alexi up there, someone never realize Alexi come down. See them not even pack up yet. See what go on. Don't even pack up yet. But I came to this event last year and it was amazing. This is the school right here. Maidstone. And this is the Maidstone Museum right here. You understand? Yeah, man. See the sign here? Beautiful. Nice place. Let me just take a look because you know people still pack up from yesterday. This is where the museum is located. And there you have it. Nazareth Primary and Infant School. Hello, good day. Hi. Good afternoon. Yes, man. The museum in there because loads of artifacts and stuff in here from back in the day, slavery and the things that they normally use to make their life easier. You understand? See there, the Maidstone Museum officially opened in November 18, 2015. You understand? Yeah, man. And this is it. Unfortunately, it actually closed right now, but yeah. Big up and respect to everybody who watch the video right now. Let's take a little walk into the square. Yeah, man. Quiet community. Definitely somewhere I would surely live. I think this is like my third time coming here or so. Yeah, and it's super great. I see Lexi forward though. It look like Lexi look like she and her uncle did it. Yes, Godfather, all is well. Give thanks, man. Every time. Easy. Blessings, man. That is it. Beautiful community, man. How long you live here?
A long time, man. At this down there, we live, you know. Yeah. We barely live one place in Big back down so.
Oh. That is it.
Near St. Elizabeth border line, you know.
That is it. I hope you say straight, you grew up.
Yeah, man, this down there.
Alright, then take it easy, man, and big up. How the function yesterday? Did nice? You did there?
Alright. You happy to write? Me not tell him.
Alright, look at Mr. McNally.
So what about my friend?
IRFM.
Me nephew-in-law.
That is it, man. What you mean? Well right, said, man.
Welcome to Maidstone, man.
Hold on there, man.
Yes,
me have to go. You know a bunch of things about the place, man. Me have to show the people them a little bit about the place. You understand?
Alright, man.
So me have to make you talk and tell me a little bit. Because even when me are there and me are here, go on, yeah, man. Stand up right, so me just put on a little talk of them, man.
Yeah.
So people then can hear.
Yeah.
Good. You see me? Let me turn on my one. Yeah, man, introduce yourself and tell
So
as
I'm saying, welcome to Maidstone. And I was styling as my nephew-in-law.
Good styling.
All right.
Love it.
Yeah, so this is Maidstone. Maidstone, Manchester. Very, very great and important community to Manchester and to Jamaica. So this community was a second free village that was established in Jamaica after abolition of slavery. Yeah, so the Moravian Church bought some lands and they divided up these lands into plots and they sold. And they sold.
That is it, man. Go out and love, man. Where they get some local history lesson from Mr. McNally here.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Understand. Make you go here.
I am very well, thank you, man.
Weren't you?
I probably was.
With Owen and everybody?
Yes.
I saw you in the back because I was on the call also.
Okay, all right.
Start nice. You're foreigner.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm from here.
Because I thought to my general down there a while ago and saying Bain live and in Bain up there, so I say, Jaja, no.
Yeah, it's so like a man from St. Mary, right?
Yeah, so me that say, so here you start talking now some fluent English.
Because we say we live here, so.
Yeah.
We come from here. You know what I'm saying?
When I'm here, this is just me.
Yeah.
But I'm on the group, you know, the community council group that you guys
Right.
So Owen is also a family member.
Nice.
You gotta come on this.
Okay, all right.
Me, when I talk, I kind of mix it up. But I went to Excelsior. You
know,
I grew up right here, the Powells.
I know.
Oh, you're in there, Kingston.
I know.
No,
I don't think you travel from here, so
You
go.
remember me, don't you?
You talk
The
about
first
Excel,
time you
yeah.
were, was it year before last?
No, oh
Last
yeah,
year,
yeah. And you had the
candy tent.
yes, the
Okay.
candy tent. Yeah,
Me
man.
right here.
Yeah, man. But
Okay.
So yeah, but I remember I share your
me
work
can't see,
all
me
the
can't.
time.
Yeah, you turn up,
Me
you turn up over
me
here,
I
sir.
put everything back together, but yeah.
Oh
Nice,
my
nice,
word.
nice.
Turn on it like that.
Sassy Sophia is famous, man.
Yeah.
Famous.
Yeah, you did have the candy
Famous,
part
yes.
over 1st of
Yes.
August and we
Yeah,
did
yeah,
talk
yeah.
and them thing that yeah, really nice
Yeah,
energy.
yeah.
Yeah, go on for real, man.
Every year I do this.
Okay,
And I
good.
come back and I give back a lot to
Right,
to the community
beautiful,
and the
beautiful.
kids and the school.
That is so nice.
So
yeah.
when I'm here, this
Yeah.
is just me,
Right,
taking off all
right.
the facade
Yeah,
and no
yeah, I
makeup,
know,
no
I
nothing,
know,
and this
I
is
know.
me.
The
Me
real
It's a candy
Maidstone,
store,
Authentic.
supermarket you have
Exactly.
right here, so no man. It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
And
Whole heap of
everything
things.
here is shipped from overseas.
Okay,
Very
okay.
few
Yeah.
things I have that's purchased here locally.
Right,
But
right.
kind of unique,
Yeah,
have
Yeah,
my
it's
own-
different. This
yeah.
is
Your
different.
own little niche.
Yeah.
Right,
But I just
right.
remember, I had the clothing store and the other building.
Yes,
but
I am aware of you. I don't
when
know you very
closing-
well, but I've seen you a
Tanisha
few
was
times.
running
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
And
Nice
then
something.
when
Right.
COVID hit, that was the end of that.
Right.
And I'm like, I
Right.
had COVID, I couldn't travel.
Couldn't
Okay.
travel.
And I had to close it up. It was a nightmare from HELL, but we survived.
Right, right,
But the key is
right.
to have the right people in your background.
Yes.
Figure
Yes.
that.
But I so love your program.
Yeah, man,
Oh
it's
my
nice,
God,
man. So
you
we
are
are
doing
feature
it.
you now, an official one now,
I
man.
love
tell
that.
Yeah,
I love
yeah.
It is
it.
great.
Yeah,
I
he's
like
done,
what you do.
he's done a great job.
I know.
Great,
And his
great,
wife too.
great.
She has
Yes,
a program
yes.
too, and she does a
Yeah.
really good
Jamaica
job too.
intent.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
yes.
Good to see
I
you
follow
again, though,
guys,
man.
and I just tip my
Yeah,
hat
baby.
to you guys.
Respect and art and love, man. I remember you still have your business stuff on the Instagram and
Listen,
thing.
I'm also Miss Ella Sassy Sophia also,
Right.
So I have 3 full-time jobs. I work 9 to 5. Then I have my Sassy Sophia page, which is a creator page, and I do modeling for companies. Like I just did something for Jones New York, Casper, and I have another thing coming out also. So I'm doing good in that space. But it's always good to have more people, more likes, more communication,
That is it.
more comments, and that's what makes you grow.
What's your name for the Instagram again?
It's Miss Sassy Sophia. It says MISS_Sassy, SASSY_Sophia, SOPHIA, not FIA, PHIA.
Art and love, man. Thanks for talking, man.
Thank
The
you.
day I go and
I
get
love
some.
what you do.
Yeah, man, we are try.
Your wife is like
We are do
bomb diggity.
it. Do something different and just make it
Yes.
people preserve a culture, you know what I mean?
That's
Yeah,
the thing.
yeah.
Next 30 years, all your people can look and say, look,
I
pa,
know.
grandma,
You know?
grandma, you got
Exactly,
a bunch of things.
exactly,
Mr.
exactly.
Batali.
Yeah, man, yeah,
Yes,
man.
sir.
All
So
right,
we there,
take
man.
care, yeah.
Maidstone.
Thank you so
Yeah.
Nice place. Art, I love you, Miss Sophia.
I appreciate you.
That's
So,
it, man.
we were doing the history lesson, right?
Yeah, tell me what going on with the
So,
place.
all right. So, as I was saying, now, after 1848,
Hi!
they bought this piece of land and the Moravian Church, and they divided up, and that was the second free village. So it's a very famous place. You see what I'm saying? Right. So, and most of the people that live here right now have their roots that goes right back to 1848, where
That's a
these
long
lands were
time.
divided up. Exactly. So the records were actually at the church of
the
all of those first set of people who had
What
bought
church?
these
What
lands.
church?
The Moravian Church on the hill right up there.
Oh, there's a...
Yes, so this present building was built in 1888. This
Wow.
present building right here.
Sound like our first
Yeah.
church in Jamaica.
No bad, no bad. So that way, because there was another building below there that was for the school and the church. And then before 1848, there was one, now they call it Old Church. Everybody around here know about Old Church.
Old
That's
church.
over by Adams Valley.
Which are you walk?
So
You can walk go there.
it's a distance from here. It's about 2 miles from here. You drive for about a mile and a half. Yeah, about a mile and a half. And then you walk probably about half mile into the woods.
Oh.
And right. And as I should have told you that this place is significant too, because we are on top of the Dan Figueroa Mountain.
Yeah, that's why it's so
And
cool
where
and nice
we,
right now.
exactly,
Because
and
now after 12 and it
where we
really
are
nice.
right now, we are about 2,900 feet above sea level. 2008, 2009, somewhere
Massive, you
there.
hear that? Because me actually that's it. Because
Yeah.
even when me done this a while ago, me I say, whoa.
It's cool, yeah.
Yeah, after
Because
12
as
and
you
the
know,
place,
every
it's cool
three-
and nice.
Where they said every 300 feet up you go, the temperature drops. 1 degree.
Jaja know.
Yeah, so we're getting geography lesson and history
And that
lesson
me I say,
today,
just I
right?
wonder if you're a teacher, where do you buy profession?
By profession, I work at the airport.
You work
I'm
at
a
the
driver
airport?
at the airport, yeah.
Which one of them?
One in, it's known as CVG, that's in Cincinnati, US.
Oh, America.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
Ah,
I'm a
that's a
driver,
cool.
so yeah, definitely. But I've done a lot of things. I've worked with the government. I've been a statistician. I have been a hotel manager. I've been a restaurant manager. I've done everything.
You want to come down here
Yeah.
now, come give us some history from the country, because
Y-
you
yes,
know
what
it.
I'm saying,
How
man.
old are you now?
I am 66 years and about 6 months.
All right, not tell nobody
Yes.
else. Yeah. No.
All right.
That's it.
So,
I will smoke a chump
you
like a
take care,
muffler.
you
yourself.
take care, man.
Yeah, move already.
Eh?
I will run a muffler run also. Oh, a soup pot.
afraid.
Jajan, what kind of soup you have in there? Beef, I can see it. I my chef?
Yes, man, a big time chef, man.
That me I say,
He's
I
an
ain't that
all-arounder too. This man do him sales, him do him soup,
Yeah.
he's
Now,
a,
me just
what
want to see
you
it,
call
man. You can just bust it pot. Let me see what go on.
This
Yeah,
man,
man.
this man is a hustler. Same one,
Ja,
show the
no.
people your soup that when they come back again.
Look on the type of soup, man.
Yeah.
Look on the pepper in there.
Yeah,
See, God, I wonder if I Mr. Lexi a drink, not you?
right.
She has said shot, you know?
A good soup.
What the man
good
name?
soup.
Derek. Big up, Mr. Derek. You hear that? That is it, man. How long time you live here?
Well, longer time I didn't live here, but I did out of grass, but I come back a foot, you know.
You the back of foot.
Yeah, back a foot, so.
Fig up and thing,
Me
man.
right a foot.
How teach you for cook?
Well, me learn that from my grandmother.
After your grandmother? Where mama there?
Well, you know, say,
Our time
Tell him
come.
about the restaurant.
All right, then. Not see
In
you around,
live.
man. All right, blessings
Bye,
and
bye.
respect.
You
Yeah,
too.
man.
Talk
All
to
right.
him.
So, yeah,
So-
Mr. McNally, you know, say me a going up walk on the journey and go around at the
is
end.
it boy for where you walk? You
Yeah,
talk to some of the shop people, them like Natty here, man. We have a nice little cook shop right here.
We shot not the ends.
Right here, sir. Right here, sir, man.
Come on, man.
That means,
that
that means when you come in from the United States or wherever, you come and stop at Natty place in Maidstone.
You reach at Maidstone.
She cook the best food around.
Ja.
Nice soup.
Big up
and
all my beautiful sisters
you know,
in the house.
curry
You
chicken
understand?
and whatever.
Oh, she
you know.
not blew the answer. Say Ray from your beautiful.
Smile.
Aye.
Smile to the camera, man.
Nah,
Look at the
tell her,
camera
man.
and smile.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice,
You won't
nice.
break the lens, you know what I mean?
I
Right,
love
that's
it. Watch how she know. Watch how she know.
Alright.
You see your face?
Yeah, man.
Heart I love you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, realize
Right.
oh, yesterday go on.
It was a good.
You like the function. I'm sorry you missed yesterday when I've been there at Denby. And then
Mass
so
up
we
where
know
I
we'd
say.
have to go down here today now. Me I say, no, we just go at Denby and then we come down the side of today.
So how was Denby?
Denby nice, man. I think it's the best organized I've ever seen it. So right now down the
Jamaica
ramp.
walk by,
Yesterday
if you ever hear that name there.
wasn't
Jamaica
that
walk
full.
by.
But today,
Yesterday was the first to the
And
first
what?
day.
the last day.
Yes, you know, Sunday Sunday is the last. Yeah.
The grand finale.
Yeah. So, I want to take it easy. I want to be safe here. Continue, man. So, Mr. McNally, may you just walk right at the top this one with us.
All right, cool, cool.
Yeah. The place cool and nice, man.
Yes,
You feel
man.
that make you walk
Beauty-
out
beautiful.
the place. See all.
Beautiful, yeah.
You welcome, Stone. Welcome to Maidstone. Nice. Proper thing.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So that building up there was formerly the only cheese factory in the English-speaking Caribbean.
That other one there?
Yes, the name of it was 3M. It has fallen into disrepair right now, but we are so appreciative, you know, of such a venture in this small township of Maidstone.
Yeah.
You know, that people could have, you know, they could have developed
Manners, bro.
such a major project. You know what I mean?
Nice.
Yeah.
Me realize that the
Yeah.
major thing up here still is farming.
Right,
Everybody
right.
really a farm
Right,
and
right,
thing.
right.
Soil look like it rich in that.
Yeah. Yeah, man. We do a lot of sweet potato, red peas. You know, in America they say it's beans, but
Let
we
me
say
ask
red
him
peas.
how this. Godfather,
Sweet
what you
potato.
planting?
He's digging.
Oh, sweet potato this?
Potato, yeah.
Man.
Yeah, he probably weeding it out. Yeah. You're weeding the sweet potato, right? Yeah, yeah. He's weeding it out, man.
Oh.
You get a better bearing. So within another month or two, you can start digging. You can pick out the bigger ones, right? Yeah.
He said by next 2
Yeah.
weeks.
Next 2 weeks.
Manners.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
He said by next 2 weeks you're
Okay.
supposed to can
All right.
reap and thing. But hard work that you know, man.
I know, I know.
Jesus and Peter,
No,
hard
farming
work that,
farming
man.
is hard work.
Yes,
Because
sir.
we-
Blessed,
yes,
man.
sir. Because what we do here is subsistence farming. Mostly, you know.
Place
we
clean,
don't
no
have-
boy. I don't see nothing really
We
much
don't
on the
have
ground.
that amount of land here to the big commercial farming. So most of our farms here, the people use hand implements, tools, machete,
Bless a God that tree.
hoe, fork. Kenneth
Bless
Wagwan. That's a
For your name, blessed
very
love,
good
Mr.
friend of
Kenneth.
mine, man. Very good friend of
Heart
mine.
of love, man.
Used to
Jamaica walk by,
participate.
you know?
Alright, sir.
Yeah, he used to participate a lot. Community council activities, youth club activities.
From here, you
way
agree with
back.
him, man, Mr. Kenneth.
I'm a good friend, man. I'm a good friend.
Heart of
Hey,
love,
give them
man.
a shot over there. Look at
Yeah,
that
man, me show them it,
beautiful
man.
view, man.
Have to.
Yeah.
First, I show them.
Yeah.
A
yeah.
while ago, me, I'll give them a moment of silence and then listen how silent and nice the place be.
Right.
What is that, me, I look
Right.
on the hillside up there?
That's a tank. That's a reservoir or a cistern. So we do rainwater harvesting. Lots of rainwater harvesting in this area because in this area, you don't have any pipes that come from a river or anything like that. So people have their own tanks. It's like those black tanks. People have them. Plus people have concrete tanks or
Oh,
cisterns.
even that, they know, me see them make it wide up in the bush, so when the
Yeah,
rain
that's the
fall,
catchment.
now,
That's
it
the
just catch
catchment.
and just go
Right.
straight in a one
That is
thing.
the catchment. Yeah, yeah.
Super
yeah.
cool.
Yeah. So
Lovely, man.
so this is a library down there.
Oh,
I
the
mean, this is
library
the
down there?
library right here, and that's the
Oh.
post office down there.
So pretty much you're there in a town.
Yeah, it's a town. It's a town.
So
It's a
this is-
town. Nice
so
little
this is
village.
the
This is the
library. Yeah, the
library,
library.
and that's the post office down there.
See there, Maidstone
Yeah,
branch
yeah.
library. And it's still operational and
It is
everything?
operational. It is operational.
Wonderful.
Yeah, yeah.
What about safety and thing up here? Me never hear nothing about nothing up here, so though.
no, occasionally stuff happens.
one bad
'Cause you
rat.
know, in Jamaica and in the world,
whole
not
world.
everybody are good people. You see what I'm saying? So occasionally you will have stuff happening, but it's a very safe community.
Love it.
It's a place that anybody that could live. You see what I'm saying?
All right.
And while we're talking,
Make we walk go right to the post office and we turn back.
Right.
And we go. Cause me I go
Right.
me I go
Right.
walk the journey, go that
Yes,
side there.
yes.
And you go there, you go up at the house. So me I
right,
go reach at
right,
the house.
right. So this man is known as Jeff Smith.
Mr. Jeff Smith.
As a very important member of the community, and he knows a lot of history. He was one of the men who,
Yeah.
when the museum just started, he used to carry people in to show them the artifacts and that kind of a thing. So this is a historical man, you know. Yeah. Right,
Yeah, you
right.
know, yeah, well known
So some
man in
of-
the community. Go leave
right.
him, my sister.
So
Heart
some of
love.
those information I gave you, now Mr. Smith know all of them things. They
there.
like
And you know
bookwork.
what? If you tell me,
you know?
I think him did talk to him at the museum.
Possibly,
time,
you know.
you know.
It's possible. It is possible, man.
Not,
Yeah,
I think last year, yeah.
yeah. It's possible, man.
Oh, see, post office.
It's
yeah.
a post office.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is the Maidstone
Right,
post
right,
office.
right.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
So all of these lands now belong to the church, actually.
The church.
Yeah, the church lands.
Mm,
Yeah, yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So as
man,
I was telling you, that building,
The cheese factory.
right. There's a nice building that's there. I think they might in the future be using it for some other activity.
But so far, it just closed and
For now, right.
fully abandoned.
Right, for now. And I need to tell you too that we
Okay, go on.
we have an organization that we formed recently. As we're talking about development, we have an organization that was formed recently known as MEDO,
Meadow.
Maidstone Economic Development Organization. And that organization is geared towards the development of Maidstone and outlying regions or anywhere else in Jamaica that we might see the need to assist.
Nice.
So in the long term, you guys will hear about MEDO. We are
MEDO.
already registered with the United States government.
Wonderful.
Yeah, we are
wonderful.
already registered. So, you know, people will hear more about MEDO.
Take it easy.
So in the future, we are looking at development in these areas so that more of our people, when they come back, will come to live in rural areas like these
Boy, me
and
love that
develop
side,
the
that
place,
boy.
you know? Right.
But running water in a pipe differently?
Some of the pipes like this one, if there was enough catchment, then you might have running water in the pipe. But otherwise from that, people have their own water systems. As I tell you, we do rainwater harvesting.
So if I want, so if I fill up some of them black tank, they chuck
Yes,
water
man.
come and full
trucks,
them and
trucks in dry weather, in dry times, people buy water.
Nice.
People buy water.
All right.
I think there was a major water system being worked on, but I guess maybe because of the funding issue and all of that kind of thing, it has not materialized as yet, you know. But yeah, I think the government has plans to set up a major water system within this area.
That is it. This is the way we're going to walk.
Yeah, that's the way. That's
All
the
right.
way.
Let me say, give this to Lexi.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am going to take on that journey. You're going up.
So you're
drive.
going to take your camera, right?
Oh, this.
Your speaker.
Let me take this.
Because I might be driving and talking. I'm messing up your thing, right?
All right, that's your word.
No,
give it to Lexi.
All right.
So all right, me I go walk the journey and go round. See? And we are going to meet up round at the house. And then I'll see what we are doing.
Tell the people that we having a tomb building for my mom around here. Yeah. Cora McNally. Yeah.
Miss Cora.
So you take care, man.
All right, big up and thanks to that. Yeah, man, we soon reach.
All right.
I wonder where Lexi gone. And probably.
Lexi.
How are them gone? Look if them gone, they probably gone over the school. Yeah, man. So, I could take on a journey. Blessed greetings. Yeah, man, the Maidstone community. I wonder how far. I know my close I can do it still. Yes, I. So, the 1st of August, keep right here, so they have loads of artists always up on the show. Mommy, good afternoon. Yeah, man. Show did nice yesterday, boy. I'm sorry I miss it, boy.
Yeah, was good.
Oh, my word. Last year, you know, they have a hilarious granny. Chris Martin was on the show too as well. Nadine Sutherland was on the show last year. Really nice event, man. I tell you, one of them events there where you definitely can bring your family, loads of food, loads of tent, and a lot of stuff for the kids and the entire community. So let's walk this community. Show you something different because, you know, coming on Jamaica Walk By, I'll be soon branching out to some rural communities like this so that the viewers can see it. You understand? Yes, man. Lovely place. Alright, so let me be silent for a while and make we walk. If there's anybody where we can talk to, we talk to. But for now, we're going to just walk and look on the place. So this is the cheese factory here, where Mr. McNally did a speak about. You know? Look like somebody set up a little black factory right here, so. And I bring in them equipment and thing. And there is the church up there. That is it. The Moravian Church of Jamaica and the Cayman Islands. There's actually there's a cemetery there too as well. A cemetery on my left. All I did them rest in peace. And there's a cemetery here. And I see one thing up there so near in Nazareth Basic School. I'm not sure that is still there probably. I'm not sure. I never really remember if you asked Mr. McNally. But yeah. Let's go. So if you not like the vibe, if you not like the video, please may I beg you drop a comment in the comment section. Please comment in the comment section. Not just in the premiere chat. You understand? Please, everybody were there in the premiere in the chat. Yeah. Please drop a comment in the comment section. Wow. Oh no. See, it look like one of the tent blew off down there, so. Why it look like a blew off over there? And that's the school right there. What a view. Farmland and thing there so too. Yeah, massive. So we're walking. It's cool and nice, man. So we don't have to worry about that thing. You understand? Very, 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 very cool and nice and thing. And as you can see, I have my sunglasses, so I don't have the glare in my eye and all of them things. Let me ear baby down. I feel good. Big up to Kadina for my hairstyle. I feel nice. Feel very handsome today. You understand? I mean, I'm nice because shades. You don't know. Big up to the Ray-Ban. You understand? So, Maidstone, very nice community. So far, this feel like a community where me that definitely live. Let me see what going down there. So, oh, them there cabbage. You understand? Look like some pests. I did the cabbage away. But they probably have it under control. Me could see what go on. You understand? Cause here farming a one night thing with them deal with up so. See, survival. But me I hope say them place you can get water because I mean running water in a pipe because right now a long time rain a fall but they say they have rain a lot them side still so most people just catch them rainwater and recycle it and probably that's how them boil them water for drink and you know it can be anything you see me but I could go. But it's a nice community and I love it you see people then set up shop everywhere. Manners. But yeah. So we walk through and the reason why we're there I say is Miss Cora tombing while we walk through this area. You see me? So blessing to everybody who actually watch the video right now. We are showing some different part of Jamaica. You see? You know Jamaica walk by we're showing the Kingston, the Old Harbour, the Spanish Town, the city type. Now we in a country. Understand? Rural area. Alright, so I'm gonna sit back and relax and listen and how quiet the place be. I'll be silent for a while, I can get to watch. Good evening. So that's one of the catch right there. You see if you can see the catch where Mr. McNally did a speak about. So that is one of the catch them use to catch the rainwater. You know what I mean? So it's like a tank. Yeah man. And it just open. So you know gonna make the kids them play round it and all them things. Although the kids them know it's probably how dangerous it is if you leave open and just go play around it, because if water then it can fall in it. You know? Let's go. Beautiful dirt. You wanna see the type of dirt? Yeah. Look on the type of soil. Whoa. Look next to unreal, bro. Pretty. My. Beautiful. Never seen banana tree so tall. When the banana tree there? Jaja. On the banana tree there. How tall them be? And look at this. You have papaya right on the roadside. Watch it. And the papaya tree loaded. Huh? There's one turn one right, so still. To the right, me just pick it out. It look like the right on the roadside. This is a free to the community. It look like, you hear me, no? But here, this is papaya. Right on the roadside, a loaded tree. You know how much them they sell for a market, especially in a old harbour? Mighty. See, one other tree over here, so like this upon somebody's land. Banana tree are tall, bro. Lovely. Alright, so these persons now put mesh and thing over this catch. So they mesh it. This would only be my problem living here, the water situation. But I guess if I can budget myself to buy like 10 of the black tank, like 10 of the 850, yeah, I rest on a back part of my house and thing and connect my pipe them to it and all of them good stuff there. And then now when it comes on to water now, I probably like have 2 of them when we set up a funnel kind of thing on top of one of them black top there, like one of them big funnel where you put down in the black tank and it have a mesh, like a filtration unit thing on the top going down into the tank. So it have a wide open top. So once the rain fall, you catch the water and full the tank. I would definitely install one of those on the black tank and use that to probably send that to the bathroom them where you can get for, you know what I mean? Yeah. Well, alright, look at this guy. This guy have an idea too, same thing. See, him actually build up a zinc thing and connect it to the tank to catch the rainwater. That nice too. Even better yet too if you make it out of zinc too as well. And then you put at the end of the zinc part them now you go so boom and just, what you call it, like drainage, and connect them and just drop that inside of the tank. You can catch a whole of them water there. Also, if you have a deck house top, you can do the same thing, like build up the wall like 1 inch or 2 inch high, and then you connect drainage pipe now for full the tank them and all of them look a thing there. You see me? Yeah, but I definitely do that too. That's a very good idea too. So cool and nice, man. Beautiful, beautiful place. Parrot them there, no? You can hear parrot in the bush, you know? Hear that? Sound like a big parrot them too. watched thus far, massive, and you don't like the video yet, please, I beg you, like the video, alright? Drop a comment in the comment section too. Super appreciate that. Even this is guava tree, this, you know, guava tree, this, right on the roadside. You know, guava leaf good for prostate too, and them thing there. Up to I say guava leaf tea good for prostate. And say it shrink prostate. So all like man them don't know that and I know something about that today. What a beautiful journey. Jaja. Well, one thing for sure though, they have good electricity. Good electricity, just the water. On Maidstone here. Boy. Blessed. God bless the rock. This rock probably be here more than 200 years old. You might never know. Heal, brownie. See? If somebody do the same idea. Nice. With the zinc, set up the funnel, fully tank them. Super sensible, man. Nice. Oh, teacher, manners. Respect. See? Guava leaf. I need some of this down on my side. See them guava leaf are pretty, man. Yeah, man. This ain't even the engraft guava, you know, the real guava that in a man. Mango tree. Man. People them might live nice. Cause I want to shop up there so they want to sell gas. You know, honestly, me there I walk and I don't remember how far, you know. But Jah is good all the time, man. We are walk and it's beautiful. Almond tree. I remember them tree, I mean I see them tree down on my side for long. Almond tree. Mad. I think me reach, you know. Yeah, man, I think I hit this. Yes, man. You're actually nearer than I thought. Wonderful. I saw me can walk. I tell this feel near. Beautiful, man. Yeah, see, this is where we're going. So, Lexi grandmother. I remember when she passed away and thing. By the time we came here. Beautiful. So we are going to do the tombing today. Nice. Feel like a foreign me there. Little bit of sun, but cool. Blessed. Manners. Yes, a big thing. Huh? I report for Jamaica walk by. And see. Mr. Kenneth. I hit man. So this is it. This are the initiative for today. So we'll be 2 men. Me score a grave. You understand? Rest in peace, Mama Cora. Yeah, she was a teacher. She also was a teacher at the Chapperton High School in Clarendon. So now we're going to just want a vibe today, eat some food, relax. This is the burial ground for the family. You know what I mean? Real country here, nice and comfortable. You see me? Very green, the vegetation is awesome. So you have mango tree, you have this look like a gimbalin tree, you got banana tree, starapple tree, olive and things, you see me? Blessed, greetings. See? Yes, sir. Everything good, Mr. Mac? Right, man. You didn't reach on last night, enjoy the show? Nice.
You don't take some video?
No, I mean actually never get forward, you know. Yeah, because you know we don't go there today.
Metro Machito.
Oh, Metro?
Metro.
Say, I tell me, say, are the veteran DJ take it? Man. Yeah, man, we there. Uncle. Bro, Mr. Mac,
Me wonder where they.
I walk forward, man. Me there from 6 o'clock. No, man, me there from 6 o'clock. And walk from Clarendon come. Blessed. Heal. Say good. Alexi father this side though. You understand? Great, Mr. Mac.
Jamaica walk by.
I this Alexi, brother this.
Yeah, man.
Easy now, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, my girls, man. Yeah, man, me have Mr. Milton from out of door. Me and him talk and reason. He give them a really good. Eh? Down at Dembe. Yeah. So we see
Yeah, daddy.
did a forward down a side. Look on his suit, man, a pretty boy. And Clarks, thank you all today. What they drinking?
Me tell him if he mind. Me tell him if he mind the bees.
There's a rum and crying water.
Too colorful, so we can't go against no bees.
Remember say bees them bring you riches, you know. Yeah, man, that's something I have to call out to you, know. Big up to my host, you understand I'm my host this. Yeah, man, it's a great vibe today.
Welcome
I
to Maidstone.
look like when you see me now, baby, you know say I'm around the kitchen. Oh, you mean you have to? You understand? We say I'm have your hand.
Yes, man. Yes,
Oh, you mean, man, I have to heal him because you don't know we want to make your food sweeter. Big up and respect, man. Yeah, you know, me not stream it live, but me I record it, you understand? Yeah. I want to mash up today.
You know, say some stew pork and rice and peas and manish water.
Jaja, no.
Fried chicken.
Which one I do first?
The stew pork actually ready now.
Oh, yeah, come hungry right away, you know.
Yeah, man.
You understand how manish water look?
The manish water, they on the way, man.
Cheese and peas. So we have a kitchen over here, so set up nice. You understand? Why not that one again? Stew pork in this. This you can tell you manish water pot. This.
Rice and peas butter.
And this is the rice and peas butter, baby. I'm going to show you what I want. Oh my word. Whole heap of garlic and I say, which one I leave? Red peas. And I see leaf. How much leaf? And that's pimento leaf. Madam, but so this is how you do it at them side now. You know what I mean? The fireside set up beautiful. You understand? 3 block, some wood and thing right there, so go and baby. Make a peas boil first, cause you know a peas kinda little longer. Soup, the manish water in this already. You can't miss this. If you don't know if you did it right, you know, you forward right, so now you can't see nothing, you know. Cause smoke burn out the whole of your eye, like it dry out the whole of the tears out of your eye and I you that. See mommy Kyle here, hey. So we're there. A beautiful Jamaica in 10. Eh. Lexi, you know, so today, you know, Lexi kind of emotional today, because you don't know. That is it. Our chef, Pat. Oh my word, I don't know that lady here. Blessings and respect. Good day.
One love, man.
Oh my, boy late for that still. I'm not telling a lie, man. The family said they want to see all like people them and all of the good stuff.
That is it.
Like say, you don't introduce me to that lady here.
Who can't see him?
She a bun me out and say she don't want me to make me no put her up on her no.
You don't get
Yeah. I think I'll be a family with her there today. Yeah. So, no joke. This is the spot and thing. Tash, big up yourself because I know you go watch the video, yeah? Because you want to see what I go on. Yeah, man. Nice and thing. Because we were over there, so. Done. Alright, that's on the day. So, grandfather, Mr. McNally. This is Lexi grandfather now. Touch it. Pastor. Big man and thing, you know what I mean? Everything good. So this is the husband now of Miss Cora. You understand? Yes, you see him look fresh and nice. Take off your hat, then see you, man. The whole world want to see one clean, man. Yes, man. See you get the... Yeah, a video. You see a robot for all I hear them and fight and one. Then depending, you know. I tell me last night, boy, you want trim. I said, trim what? Yeah.
I will tell you that.
I said last night you want trim. Remember when I did it last night?
It go this morning, go scrape.
Go scrape, yeah. Me not tell her, man. And this now a mummy Marcy, yeah. You understand? This is Mr. McNally. Daughter. You understand? This is Lexi auntie. You understand? She know, we don't know who she be. She just there. You understand? She know it's Kawiwa. You understand? This is Lexi's niece. This is Lexi's sister, daughter. You understand? I don't know the handsome gentleman, them just go on cool and easy. You understand? Big up and say that, hear me? Big up and respect, man. Look like in their 1st August last night. See, and I band boy, still a living moment, man. Art of love, man. The place is beautiful, massive, and we're having a great time. And we're going to have some fun today because you don't know food there, so we have to have fun from food there, not true? Like you sitting there, you have to drink and sit, huh? That is it. So I just Liz not reach it?
Liz not reach it.
Yeah, so Liz not reach it, you know what I mean? Liz is Lexi's cousin. And then grow together, that is Marcy, her daughter. You understand? You see how Marcy are beautiful? Yeah, Liz kind of 10 times she still. So I don't know if you I can't eat that. Yeah. So I saw we are doing it, but no joke. It's a great vibe. Yeah. So I saw we are doing it, but we're there the whole McNally family in a Maidstone. And I'm showing them nice because square, I'm showing the walking coming in the community and all of them good stuff there with Mr. McNally and some of his son them. You understand? I don't know Jamaica walk by himself there because I have family too, not you? Easy. So it's a great vibe. Lex, anything I want to say? I want to talk to my people then, my friend. Yeah.
I don't have many words right now because I am feeling a lot of feelings, but I'm happy that you featured the home of my descendants. A lot of history, as everybody said up here, so I have a lot of history and a lot of, the more I walk around and talk to persons, a lot of good, warm people.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully a lot of persons from here who live overseas now, we haven't been here in donkey years,
can get to see.
Can get to enjoy the video here. So I go look for my grandmother now.
I go look for your grandmother. Good evening, mommy. You ever walk a community?
No.
Never walk it. People know must say I should know that. I don't know that because trust me. Lexi from me, Lexi about how much time I come? About 3 times since me and you also. 1st of August, the funeral and all and then now. So yeah, it's a beautiful
because
place.
She's the reason why we're normally coming. So since she was ill and we stopped coming, almost like we never did really come.
Yeah, Lexi is so sad. Cause she have a special relationship with her grandmother. But yeah, massive. It's been a great walk and thing. Yeah, Lexi not really take it so good. Lexi take it hard from she passed, and I mean because Lexi grew up living with her. You understand? So Lexi did live with her and grew up with her and go to school and all of them something there. And then me say she was a teacher. And then Lexi normally go to church and all them things every Sunday with her. And she used to teach a Sunday school to already. So she was a a big woman when it comes on to the citizen role in our community and looking out for the next generation. You know, she develops a sickness, Alzheimer's, where she started to forget stuff. And the moment she started to forget stuff, Lexi started that hard because slowly and slowly she started forgetting who Lexi was. So Lexi did kind of start have that very hard. Even time we go to go look for her and she don't know who Lexi is, she just bust out in her tears and cry and thing. So you don't know that I got painful for anybody, you know? So big up to everybody who actually watched the video. It's just a nice vibe here in Maidstone. Manchester, loads of vegetation, massive. I'm telling you, the vegetation alone is unbeatable. You know, many people that call this bush, but because you know forward from countryside and them thing, if you understand what is this bush, yeah, it is the nice, beautiful vegetation that keep you seeing. So if you be silent and you listen to the woods, you hear all sort of stuff that just relax you and keep you going and cool, and the bush and all them things you wanna call it, with the vegetation, it attract the rainfall, and you know what I mean, you have a great merry time. So it's beautiful, and I just want to say thank you to everybody who are Liz! So Liz reached there. Whoa! So we just did go done the video, but me have to show Liz in the video. Liz reach and things, so make we go towards Liz. So make wanna say Liz! Liz! Me a close right as about Liz. Liz forward, so me have to show Liz. I would have chacha boy, yeah, man. The panasha, Liz. Big up, respect. Ricky! Big up and respect. You know me, I capture a journey a little bit. Manners, me teacher. Yeah, man. Liz, we don't see that close, but we don't see that yellow up on camera a while ago. See her, yeah? She just a reach. Oh, you mean? You're top. You see me, I tell her, say she 10 times beautiful than her mother. Yeah. So, this is it, massive. So, just I go close again. Ricky! Oh, you mean, my boss? All is well? Yeah, oh, see stone. Oh, my word. So, I'm glad to say you reach, I could have catch a stone. So, this is the stone is going to be on Mommy Cora grave. You know what I mean? You reach and we kick off the bar. See, that's what they actually die, man. January 18, 2024. Not long time. Alright, big up and respect my boss. They are close this. So, there you have it, Maidstone. And you can look into that community here for if you don't want land to buy anything. Because to when I say a lot of places I pass and see the fire sale sign and all of them good things. So they definitely can look into that and see if them place here a few, because me that definitely live right. So I now go around here. In that area I'm good. Even though the water, them not running water like that in the pipe, but as I say, they get a lot of rainfall, and if you set up a thing properly, you won't even realize you not have running water in your pipe. Watch me I walk through the bush. But yeah, see all, it's a lemon tree this here, no? Watch out. A lemon this, man. Lemon tree right so. And see there? Nice big lemon them upon it too, man. Oh my word. I have ackee tree. See all ackee upon the tree, them up and ackee. Then say if you're laughing, ackee them up in there. Whoa! Yeah. Nah, bother with that. You know what I mean? But I don't know which part me there walk, but I know say at the road below Lexi family them place. Nice beautiful land. I would just drop something for one of them land. Nice. And come. Ah, excuse me. Easy myself. Cause the place pretty, man, not nice, man. Whoa, you can like a one long piece of community going back, so if you walk this way, look at that. So yeah, beautiful video, man. Oh my word. I'm sure sound loving it and thing. I want to make you look down this a little bit. Cause I must want to see the beauty of Jamaica, and the land is great. Oh, this is one pear. Oh, the pear tree there. See one pear. What's the pear tree there? Cause if this a pear drop right at some bus, how the pear tree? Oh, see pear tree, yeah? Mad! See a pear drop off a tree, man. Let me look. If none there on a tree. See tree, yeah? See pear tree, yeah? Massive pear tree, you know? And if we can see if not, I can look. I say courage a while ago, you know. You have to be careful, you know, man. Whole heap of courage they are ground, you know, man. Come on, man. Alright, me not see no pear of ground. Look like me have somebody will force me on a circle. The pear tree quick and fast. Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. Go look a little bit down here so see what I go on. I see where the road I go. Hey, I should have a bingy. Mad thing. Yeah, gone in our next community, you know, this and all this a track, you know. Gone at some place and some part. Now gonna more, you know, cause I hit that. Oh yeah. You see say water, all heap of water run come down and thing. Beautiful. You know want to go straight and all of them things there, what that? John Joey. See the me ever have me bingy, you see? I know John Joey man I want woodpecker. You know see him? You know? A woodpecker. Mad. So yeah. And big up on yourself, man, and respect, man, and thank you for watching all Jamaica Walk By videos. Super appreciate, you know. Heart of love, and thank you for the support. Please, may I ask you to subscribe to Lexi channel Jamaica in 10. The link will go in the description below. Please just click the link, subscribe to our channel. We're trying to get her to 10,000 subscribers. So I'm asking you kindly to subscribe to Lexi channel Jamaica in 10. Which is Jamaica in 10, which is the number 10. Alright? And if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to Jamaica Walk By, please, I'm asking you to subscribe to Jamaica Walk By. See? And if we come so far and you still not get to like the video or leave a comment, now is your chance because the video will go to a close now. So you can comment and leave a take and send this video to a friend. Alright? So, heart of love, respect, our manners, we outside.